Hi, I'm Javi. I used to be a software engineer at a unicorn e-com company in Chicago where I manage cloud infrastructure for millions of shoppers across the United States.
And hi, I'm Richard. I'm a design engineer and human-computer interaction researcher. I used to work at one of the pioneering AI companies in the Philippines, building out prototypes, chat assistants, and AI-enabled dashboards before LLMs became popular.
And based on our experience at previous companies that we were at, we noticed that deploying to the cloud is a significant time and monetary expense at these companies. Deploying to big cloud platforms requires you to have a level of expertise and understanding to fully utilize them. For example, if you don't know IAC, not only would you need to spend a lot of time reading documentation to understand how to do something, you also have less options to work with on the web platform itself. What's crazy is that these cloud platforms also have a lot of things that are hard to discover within their own technical documentation.
And generally speaking, we've also seen that the developer experience for most of these cloud platforms right now are lacking in terms of ease of use and the value for the price that you pay. We're not really fans of how you basically need to be certified to know how a specific platform does their Kubernetes deployments, for example. And I'm sure that some of you are very familiar with the experience of having to work with or hire technical consultants or solutions engineers just so you can implement a specific behavior on your cloud infrastructure.
We've noticed that most of these cloud platforms are really designed to lock you in. While we do recognize that big cloud does have its benefits, we want to create a future where startups and Fortune 500 companies have full agency over where and how they host their apps on the internet, while remaining efficient in terms of capital and developer productivity. Developers shouldn't spend their time optimizing cloud spend. Instead, they should focus on actually working on their products.
To address this whole pain point that we discovered through the years, we are building a new platform as a service, an infrastructure intelligence platform called Navegante.
And Navegante allows you to do two things. First, it lets you deploy or migrate your apps across different cloud environments, whether that's AWS, GCP, your own Metal hosted inside a data center, or Hostari servers. Second, Navegante includes an AI-enabled infrastructure intelligence platform that analyzes your cloud infrastructure performance, provides actionable optimization recommendations, and lets you directly apply these enhancements to your infra. For our initial release, we plan on supporting cases like over-provisioning, security hardening, and app performance.
Our overall vision for Navegante is to create a PaaS that supports and enhances the decision-making process of software engineering organizations, regardless if you're a startup or a large enterprise. Cloud platforms shouldn't make it hard for organizations to provide value to the world. They really should enable companies to do great things without having to worry about optimizing cost and learning the intricacies of a specific platform.
And we're the founders of Hostari Navegante, and you can sign up for early access to our cloud platform by going to navegante.app. We're looking forward to everyone's feedback on our attempt at doing something different for cloud deployments.